Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Steph. Welcome back to my channel, The Secret Slob, and our 21-day spring declutter challenge. We have been making some serious progress, only 1 week left to go. And today we're gonna tackle kind of a funny area. Again, something that you might not have thought of, but it might be filling up a lot of space in your house. It's cleaning supplies. Before I get started, I wanna give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, True Earth Environmental Eco Strips. They are awesome. I'm gonna talk about them in today's video and show you how you can declutter a lot of your cleaning supplies and replace them with more natural, clean, and healthy things that really don't take up very much space at all. Because as you know, the name of the game is reducing clutter in all of our spaces. All right, so what I'm gonna do is run around my house really quick, grab all of my cleaning supplies from under cupboards, in my laundry room, all that stuff, bring it here to the kitchen, and I'll be able to sort through all of it, decide what stays and what goes. All right, so this is actually quite a bit of stuff. It's taking up a ton of space in my cupboards, and I'm sure there's a way I can combine these and make them smaller. So this is a big box of garbage bags, but really there's only two little things in here. So that's an easy thing. And then I've got garbage bags for my kitchen, so kitchen bags, and that's full. And then I've got bathroom garbage bags, and those are both full. So really, it's also about checking what I have before buying new stuff. Then I have, for under my dish sink, is this dishwashing detergent, and I use this one to fill up this guy, so it just helps save kind of on plastic. You can just refill. You don't always have to run out and get it. This lasts me at least, I would say 8 months. I know this came from the old house, so almost a year. It lasts a long time.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi. Okay, so next up, this is my cleaning caddy that I use on a daily basis, and I basically just use these two refill things from the dollar store. This one's got vinegar water, I've written it here, and then one has the True Earth multi-purpose cleaner, which is this one. I use this for floors, and I also just use it as a cleaner, but I find they both work really well. This is kind of a multi-purpose spray, and it disinfects, and the vinegar one I mostly use on glass and in the bathrooms, kind of on porcelain, just to make things really sparkle. This is the scrubby brush that I use in the shower, and I just fill it with that dish soap thing. And then I've got a couple of window cloths and a toothbrush for getting into those deep, hard to reach spots. So I'm really happy with my kind of cleaning caddy. I don't feel like I need to add anything else to it. I do actually also like to have paper towels, so I'll put the paper towel in there. It's always a pain when it's big. And so that's my cleaning caddy. The other thing I like to use a lot is baking soda. So I just buy like a giant one out of the bulk section and then just refill this. I do use this to scrub my sinks when I get kind of like hard water buildup, which I get a lot because we have a well. So a little bit of baking soda as well. So I'm basically able to clean my whole house using baking soda, vinegar, the multi-purpose strips from True Earth, dish soap, and that's it. And the rest of this stuff I have, and I haven't even gone through this for a long time. So I'm gonna have a look and see what's in there, decide if anything can go, decide what can stay, and then hopefully take up a little bit less space in my cupboards. All right, let's move on to laundry. So I do like to use the True Earth Laundry Eco Strips. This is a 1-year supply box. That's it, 384 loads, and that's 384 big loads. My husband divides them in half, so you really could get like over 700 loads out of this if you're just doing small loads. And they just came out with a brand new scent called Lilac Breeze. It smells so good. We don't really like strong scents in this house, but this one's so nice and light, and it just makes your laundry smell nice and fresh. So I'll show you how I use that. Basically, you just take a little strip, throw it in your washing machine, and you're good to go. It's so easy to use. Even my daughter, who's 6 years old, can start the laundry. It's kind of incredible because I wouldn't trust her with one of those big jugs of soap. Not that I don't trust her, but they spill all the time and they make such a mess. And can you imagine having 700 loads worth of laundry soap liquid? This is gonna last me like 2 years. So if you've heard me talk about True Earth before, you know I'm absolutely in love. If you haven't had a chance, go check out their website. I'll link to it below with a discount code so you can save a little bit of money on your purchase. Try them out, it will make a huge difference. And don't forget, it's also Earth Day, so this is a really easy switch that you can make that saves a ton of plastic, saves a ton of shipping. We don't need to ship water in big plastic jugs all around the world to get laundry soap. This is all you need, and it works amazing. So check it out in the description if you want to look for the multi-purpose cleaner too is basically the same thing. Just a little strip that I throw in my mop bucket, or I just mix into water in my spray bottle. I love this stuff. It kind of has a light lemony scent, but again, not overpowering and works amazing. So laundry, 2 years worth of laundry stuff. That's not taking up a lot of space. Moving on to the big container. So these were mop heads for my old mop. I recently switched. I just didn't really like the way it worked on the linoleum. It was always flipping over. These are dusting mitts, which I don't use that often, but I do like to have them for kids because they can put their little hands in here and dust away. So I will keep these. And then I feel like, oh, these are extra scrubbies. I can put those under the sink. But this is a lot of just like products that I never use, ever. Oh, I do use this one sometimes, Folex. It's like a stain remover for carpets and also for fabrics, because I have a 2-year-old that likes to decorate my couches with Sharpie markers. So this actually works pretty good. I'm gonna keep that. Wood floors, cabinets, tables, and chairs. See, I don't really have a lot of wood. We don't have wood floors in this house. I don't really need that. This is like 10 years old. Glade air freshener, I never use. How this even came into be in my house, I have no idea. That can go. Heavy duty lime remover for bathrooms, kitchens, outdoor, and more. See, I think my husband must be buying these. Like, these are full. And then an oven cleaner, which I did use when I moved out of the last house because I needed to clean my stove in a hurry. So I don't really need that. Rain-X glass cleaner, and this says outdoor only, so I'm like a little hesitant to spray it in the house. Little J cloths. This is like a paste, like a cleaning paste. It looks like this, but I'll be totally honest, the baking soda works as good or better, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. Pressurized duster, I guess I'll keep that. And then this CLR is just kind of for, I don't know why we have these things. And then my squeegee. So all that decluttering, I've got my cleaning caddy reloaded. I'm gonna put my extra stuff in this bin. So I only need kind of the strips that I'm using, which I'll put in here. Okay, so I'm feeling really good about what I have, what I'm keeping, what I've decided to get rid of. I'm not sure what I can do with cleaning supplies that I don't want. I can definitely send some to my husband's work and maybe some to the thrift store. Would they want that? I don't know. If you know what I can do with cleaning supplies that I don't want in my house anymore, let me know. I honestly don't even want to use them up. I don't like using that kind of thing. I just want to use what I like. So if you know what I can do with them, let me know. And then I'm gonna keep this stuff. So I think I'm pretty much good. I've definitely done this a couple times before, but there's just these things I've been hanging on to for I don't know what reason. I'm never gonna use them, so they're literally just going to take up space in my house until the point where I finally decide to get rid of them. So making the decision now to say goodbye to these items. I'm gonna put these things back where I like to keep my cleaning stuff, and then I know everything that I have is stuff that I'm actually using. Let me know if you went through your cleaning supplies today, even 5 minutes, or just quickly looked under a bathroom, or maybe combined some things that are half full and you have 2 of them. If you need a little bit of extra motivation, don't forget that every day of this challenge, I'm giving away a $100 gift card to a local store of your choice. You can choose a local store from my province, True Earth, if you want to try out the laundry strips, and I will pick somebody from the comments. All you have to do is subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll pick somebody from the comments to win the $100 gift card. Okay, I'll see you next week for our last week of the decluttering challenge. Happy Earth Day. Bye-bye.